How to track a package in UPS. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily track a package in UPS. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Chrome web browser, or you could just use the app if you have it. I'm just going to show you from the browser. And on the browser, you are just going to tap on the search bar and then search for UPS tracking and hit enter. Now scroll down, and if there is a uh, country specific website, you are just going to go ahead and click on it. Now to track your UPS package, you'll need to provide a tracking number here. So open up your first website you see, or the country specific website, and once you have done that, you just have to wait for a bit and this interface will load up. So what you're going to have to do is enter your tracking number right here. So enter up to 25 tracking numbers, one per line. So if you have multiple deliveries or multiple packages, then you could just enter those numbers right here. When the shipping is forwarded, then you would get a tracking number on your email or your SMS message box. Then you could just enter the pasty number here and then tap on track, and it will show you the live location of your package. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.